If you're wondering why I'm over here, let me introduce my son. This is Mason, and we are going to be doing I'm going to do his makeup. That's what I'm going to do, and we are going to go full glam. So if you want to see how this goes, just keep watching. Guys, how are my glow tarts doing today? Today we are going to be doing for my son's makeup, and we are going to try our best to go full glam. And he's doing his best to hide from y'all right now. So let's make him feel welcome. Mason, you're going to look beautiful after this is done. So let's go ahead and jump into the tutorial. Alright guys, now you might not see me a lot on camera, but you will see him and what I am about to do to him. So first, everybody knows, let's pull our hair back. Okay guys. This is hilarious to him. Okay, so guys, we have got our headband on, and you know, first thing is first, we have got to do our primer. So we are going to go in with a mattifying primer, because I know guys have very large pores. So Mason, if you will hold still. There we go. And of course, you know, we got to get in the primer. And guys, y'all know what's next. It is foundation. Guys, he is a little bit darker than I am. So we are using the Dream Fresh Maybelline. This is a little bit too dark for me.
You just got your hair in my face.
Come here. I hate it when clients don't hold still in their chairs. Mason.
Don't expose my name.
They love you. Alright guys, we're going to finish that up. We'll be right back. And next we are going to highlight our under eyes with the Tarte Shape Tape Concealer. This is one of the most famous concealers that there are. Everybody loves this. Now, whether my son loves it or not, I reckon we'll find out. Oh, we gotta get that Cupid's bow. We got a mustache. And guys, y'all know to blend your concealer. And isn't he looking just gorgeous already? Cupid's bow. And next we are going to powder our face, of course. Got to set that foundation. And next, guys, you know, to chisel those cheekbones, we are going in with our contour. I about forgot the name. And you blend this in, of course. I'm going to get that chin, too. Oh, shit. And y'all know to blend your contour in. He is going to look like such a doll baby, guys.
Whore.
You're not a whore. Not a whore. And we are going in with our bronzer next. And of course, you know to blend in that bronzer too. Next, we are going in with Feisty. This is one of my Tarte blushes. I love this blush. smile, Mason. Don't smile, Mason. And next we are doing our brows. And of course he does have a full brow. I wish I had some brows like this, guys, really, honestly. And his is so full that I don't even think I need to color him in that much. Oh my God, what us women do. Alright guys, next we are going to the eyes. And in favor of him, his favorite color is red. So I'm giving him a red eyeshadow. So first we're going to start off with a primer. Close your eyes, baby. We are priming with the Makeup Revolution palette. This is the Ultra Cream and Conceal palette. I love this palette, guys. Hint, hint. And then, of course, you know to powder anywhere you put a liquid. It's the Jaclyn Hill palette, and like I said, we are going to do a red eyeshadow for him. So first we are going in with the transition shade. I don't think y'all care what shade I'm using. Y'all, I believe I'm doing better eyeshadow on him than I do myself. It's not bad to say. So there is our transition. And we are going to make him a crease shade. We are going to use the red. Oh my gosh. It really is coming out good. Way better than mine looks. And of course, you know to blend, blend, blend. Blend out those shadows. And let's do a red lid. Don't you see what I have to go through every day now, Mason? But I love it.
I hate it.
Oh, but you look pretty. And next, mascara. He will not let me put a liner on him, so we are jumping straight to mascara. And of course, he was blessed with my eyelashes. I do have to brag on them. And next, guys, the lips. Alright, guys, now all we got left is the lips and the highlighter. You're lucky I got you a nude color, so don't even. And he's got some full lips, really. I really need that bottom lip. Wish I had one. Like that. And of course, the highlighter, guys. We are digging into Pixie here. And we are going to give him a glow. Down the nose, Cupid's bow. That's pretty cool, right? Okay. And guys, if you want to close up how beautiful it is, I think we done pretty good, guys. I really do. And this is the end of the video. So if you enjoyed seeing me put makeup on my son, give us a thumbs up and subscribe to my channel and become part of the Glowtart family. We would love to have you. And I love you, and I'll see you next video. Bye.